You spent thousands on your gray kitchen. It looks sophisticated in the showroom. Today, it is quietly killing your resale value. Gray commanded premiums of more than $2,500 3 years ago. Now it has collapsed to 5% of renovations. Buyers walk right past gray kitchens. What happened? What is replacing gray? Stay until the end. We reveal the exact warm palettes commanding the highest premiums, the demographic shift explaining why this is not coming back, and practical fixes if you are living with gray right now. The most popular kitchen color of the decade is now called millennial gray as an insult. There is a revolt. The data proves it. Now, if you want to stop guessing and start making smart design choices that actually add value to your home, subscribe right now. Every week we bring you the best solutions, real fixes, and practical upgrades that work. Hit that subscribe button and hit hype before you scroll away. Your future self will thank you. Gray kitchens didn't just appear out of nowhere. Back in 2015, gray felt like a revelation. Cool, understated, and a breath of fresh air after decades of oak and cherry. Builders and remodelers leapt at the chance to offer something modern that still felt neutral, and homeowners responded in droves. By 2020, builder surveys showed gray kitchens accounted for nearly 38% of new home installations, a staggering share for any single palette. Magazine spreads, model homes, and showroom floors all showcase the same look: pale gray shaker cabinets, soft gray quartz, and brushed nickel hardware. The appeal was easy to understand. Gray promised flexibility. It worked with stainless steel, didn't clash with appliances, and seemed to hide everyday wear better than stark white or deep espresso. For many, it felt like a safe investment, timeless, but with a hint of contemporary style. Industry leaders like Amanda Pendleton at Zillow described the gray movement as a clear cultural shift in the way Americans approach their kitchens. Designers praised its ability to create a calm, minimalist backdrop that let other features, backsplashes, hardware, even a bowl of lemons, shine. Remodeling firms reported that clients, especially those aged 55 and up, trusted gray to keep their homes feeling fresh and market-ready. That trust was reflected in the numbers. By 2022, nearly 4 out of every 10 new kitchens in the United States and the United Kingdom were done in gray, according to builder adoption figures. For a while, it seemed like gray could do no wrong, but as gray moved from a designer's secret weapon to the default choice in subdivisions and condo towers, its novelty faded. What once felt exclusive and sophisticated became the standard offering, even the builder grade. By the early 2020s, gray kitchens were everywhere, from entry-level homes to luxury listings, from urban lofts to suburban ranches. The very quality that made gray so appealing, its universality, began to work against it. Homeowners who chose gray for its safe, neutral promise found themselves surrounded by the same palette in every open house and online listing. Still, during its peak, gray kitchens commanded real confidence. Buyers paid premiums, and sellers were reassured by the steady demand. The color's reign lasted longer than many design trends, thanks to its flexibility and the trust it inspired among both homeowners and professionals. But as with every trend that becomes ubiquitous, the earliest signs of fatigue were already starting to show. The stage was set for something warmer, richer, and more personal to take over. By the start of 2023, the numbers on gray kitchens still looked strong. Homes with gray cabinetry routinely sold for about $2,500 more than those with white. According to Zillow's annual paint color report, for homeowners, especially those 55 and up, that premium felt like a reassuring cushion, a sign their choice was not just stylish, but smart. But behind the scenes, a different story was brewing. Early house surveys that year uncovered a growing sense of fatigue. Buyers and sellers alike described gray as everywhere, and what once felt fresh now seemed repetitive. The language shifted from excitement to exhaustion, with design forums and social media echoing the same refrain: gray had become the new builder basic. By mid-2024, that fatigue was no longer just anecdotal. In buyer interviews, phrases like "tired of gray" and "ready for something warmer" began to appear with regularity. The term gray revolt started circulating among industry insiders by 2025, capturing a real sense of pushback. Homeowners who had remodeled in the late 2010s found themselves second-guessing their decisions. One composite testimonial, drawn from dozens of online posts and client emails, captures the mood. We picked gray because everyone said it would be timeless. Now, every open house looks the same, and it just feels cold. I worry buyers will see our kitchen as dated, not modern. The numbers caught up with the sentiment. By 2026, gray kitchens accounted for just 5% of renovation projects, a collapse from their peak. Real estate agents reported that listings featuring gray cabinetry lingered longer on the market, with buyers negotiating harder or asking for concessions to repaint. The once reliable premium narrowed and in some markets vanished altogether. For many, regret set in, not just over style, but over missed opportunities for warmth and individuality. Yet this is not a story about failure. It is about a collective realization. The reluctant realizer, a homeowner who trusted gray as a safe bet, now looks for ways to refresh and add value, whether through a full remodel or simple low-cost updates. The lesson is clear. Today's buyers want kitchens that feel inviting and personal. Warm palettes, olive green, warm wood tones, cream, mushroom, taupe, and other earth tones are now the gold standard for both livability and resale. The gray era did not end quiet, but it left behind a more thoughtful approach to what makes a kitchen truly feel like home. The new kitchen palette is a world away from the builder-grade gray that once dominated. Step into today's most sought-after kitchens, and the difference is immediate. Olive green, sage, and mossy tones on cabinets, creamy whites and mushroom on walls, taupe, sand, and honeyed wood throughout. These are not just paint colors. They are a toolkit for warmth, comfort, and visual interest. Medium tone wood, especially white oak and walnut, now rivals white as the top cabinet finish, with House's 2026 survey showing wood at 29% of remodels, edging out white at 28%. Gone are the days when every kitchen felt like a grayscale photograph. Now, kitchens are alive with earth-inspired hues that shift with the light and feel inviting at every hour. The National Kitchen and Bath Association's latest trend forecast drives this point home. 86% of professional designers expect green tones, especially olive and sage, to feature in their kitchen projects this year. That is not a niche prediction. It is a near universal consensus among the people shaping what buyers see in showrooms and listings. Blues and deep teals are close behind, but it is the greens, warm neutrals, and natural wood grains that dominate the conversation. Industry leaders like Andrea Magno at Benjamin Moore describe the 2026 color of the year silhouette as just the right level of mutedness, with gray notes that make it fresh but very usable. The connection between fashion and interiors is clear. Rich browns, soft beiges, and classic silhouettes are back, and they are here to stay. For homeowners over 55, this shift is more than a style update. It is a practical improvement. Warm, light reflective cabinets and walls make kitchens easier to navigate and more comfortable for aging eyes. Creamy whites such as Swiss coffee, recommended by experts on Who's UK, work in both bright and dim spaces, while soft taupe and mushroom offer a gentle backdrop that pairs with almost any countertop or appliance. Olive green in particular stands out. It delivers a resale premium of $1,597 over standard white, according to recent buyer analysis, and it brings a sense of calm and connection to nature. Designers and remodelers are not just chasing trends, they are responding to what buyers and homeowners say they want. Spaces that feel lived in, welcoming, and adaptable. The new palette is flexible, forgiving, and easy to update with small touches. A brass handle here, a wood cutting board there. Warmth and individuality have replaced the cool, anonymous look of the gray era. For anyone looking to refresh, the options are richer than ever, and the data point in one direction. Warm, earth-inspired palettes are the new standard for comfort, value, and modern taste. Industry consensus on warm palettes is not just a trend headline, it is now the backbone of kitchen design and real estate value. Paint companies, cabinet makers, and real estate analysts are all pointing in the same direction. Benjamin Moore's 2026 Color of the Year silhouette is a rich, muted neutral with subtle gray undertones, but it is the warmth that designers and buyers keep coming back to. Andrea Magno of Benjamin Moore says it is just the right level of mutedness. with gray notes that make it fresh but very usable. That blend of comfort and versatility is what is driving the numbers. Market data makes the story even clearer. Olive green kitchens, for instance, now deliver an average resale premium of $1,597 over standard white, based on recent buyer analysis. That is not an outlier. Zillow's annual paint color report confirms buyers are willing to pay more for kitchens that feel inviting and unique, and olive green sits at the top of that list. Wood cabinets have also surged ahead. House's 2026 remodeling survey shows wood finishes now account for 29% of kitchen remodels, nudging past white at 28% for the first time in years. This is not a minor shuffle. It is a fundamental realignment of what buyers value in a kitchen. Agents across the US and UK are seeing the change play out in real time. Listings with gray kitchens, once a reliable magnet for offers, now attract fewer competing buyers. Some agents describe a shrinking pool of interest. Gray still has its fans, but that group is getting smaller and more selective. Homes with gray cabinetry may still fetch a premium in certain markets, but the gap is narrowing. More often, buyers are negotiating for concessions or requesting updates to warmer colors before closing. The days when gray guaranteed a quick, full-price sale are over. Designers and remodelers are responding accordingly. The National Kitchen and Bath Association's latest forecast found that 86% of professionals expect green tones, especially olive and sage, to feature in new projects this year. That is not just a passing preference. It is a near universal agreement among the people shaping what is on offer in showrooms and listings. Warmth is now the institutional standard, not a boutique experiment. For homeowners, especially those thinking about resale, the message is straightforward. Investing in a warm, earth-tone palette is both a safe and profitable move. Whether it is a full cabinet repaint, a simple hardware swap, or adding wood accents, these updates are now backed by both data and professional consensus. The result is a kitchen that feels current, comfortable, and market-ready, qualities that consistently translate into higher offers and faster sales. A kitchen's mood can change overnight with the right lighting and a few smart tweaks. No contractor required. For anyone living with a gray kitchen, especially those who want results today, the fastest transformation starts with light. Swap out old bulbs for LED strips or fixtures in the 2,700 to 3,000 Kelvin range to instantly warm up the space. That soft golden white glow is what designers reach for when they want cabinets and countertops to look inviting instead of cold. Use bulbs with a high color rendering index and aim for 90 or above. They bring out true colors in your finishes and make food prep easier for aging eyes. It's a small investment, often under $40 per fixture, and it can make a gray kitchen feel less like a waiting room and more like a living space. Fingerprints and smudges are the hidden downside of matte gray cabinets, especially under harsh bluish light. One homeowner who calls herself the budget transformer summed it up perfectly. She said she did not realize how much the lighting made her gray cabinets look dingy. Swapping to warm LEDs and adding a $25 under cabinet strip changed everything. Suddenly, the space felt alive, and she stopped noticing every single fingerprint. Accessories can pull more warmth into the room for just a few dollars. A wooden bowl, a terracotta planter, or a set of brass cabinet pulls can break up the monotony and add a sense of comfort. Warm toned dish towels, a rug in ochre or mushroom, or a few potted herbs on the windowsill all help the eye move away from the gray and toward what feels fresh and personal. Each of these upgrades typically lands under $50, and together they nudge the kitchen's atmosphere from sterile to welcoming. For anyone worried about resale, these small changes matter. Real estate agents report that buyers respond to kitchens that feel bright, clean, and easy to maintain. Simple lighting upgrades and low-cost accents do not just improve daily life, they help listings stand out in a crowded market. The science backs this up. Warm LEDs improve visibility and mood, and high color rendering index lighting helps older adults see true colors and avoid glare. Maintenance gets easier too. Warmer light hides dust and smudges better than cool white, and a few well-chosen accessories can mask the signs of daily wear. The best part is that none of these fixes require a paintbrush or a big budget. They are about using what you have, making smart swaps, and seeing your kitchen in a new light, literally. For anyone with a gray kitchen, these quick wins are the first step toward a space that feels current, comfortable, and ready for whatever comes next. Upgrading a gray kitchen is less about following trends and more about making smart choices that fit both budget and long-term goals. For many, the journey starts with paint. A do-it-yourself cabinet repaint using shades like olive, mushroom, or creamy taupe costs from $200 to $600 for materials. The process is methodical, cleaning, sanding, priming, and applying 2 coats of durable paint. Homeowners often describe the transformation as immediate, with kitchens feeling brighter and more inviting. Data supports these stories. Freshly painted, warm-toned cabinets have brought sellers resale premiums from $1,200 to $1,800 over similar gray kitchens. Here, sweat equity can double or even triple the initial investment. Some opt for professional painting, seeking a flawless finish and the reassurance of a warranty. Professional cabinet painting typically ranges from $2,000 to $6,500, depending on kitchen size and finish. The higher upfront cost is offset by results that often look factory new. According to cost guides and contractor interviews, homeowners recoup 50 to 100% of their investment at resale, especially when the color matches current buyer preferences. One recent seller shared that they hired a pro to repaint their gray cabinets in soft mushroom before listing. The kitchen looked brand new and they had 3 offers within the first week, 2 above asking. The paint job paid for itself and then some. For those ready to invest more, refacing offers a middle ground. At $4,000 to $10,000, refacing keeps the cabinet structure but replaces doors, drawer fronts, and veneers, often in warm woods or textured finishes. This approach changes the look entirely while avoiding the disruption of a full renovation. Refacing typically returns about 70% of its cost, making it popular among sellers who want to move in ready listing without gutting the space. Full cabinet replacement, ranging from $15,000 to $50,000, is reserved for luxury homes or kitchens with failing cabinetry. High-end buyers expect custom wood, integrated features, and soft close hardware in warm tones. Listings with new earth-toned kitchens can command $8,000 or more above comparable homes with builder-grade gray. Across every budget, warm palettes deliver measurable returns. The most effective upgrades match investment to goals, with both do-it-yourself and professional options offering strong payoffs for those ready to move beyond gray. Today, kitchens dressed in gray hold fewer cards. Buyers now chase warmth, comfort, and natural tones. Industry data and expert voices agree. Olive green, warm wood, and earth hues lead in both style and resale power, especially for those over 55. No shaming if you are still gray, small changes can shift everything. In this market, warmth wins. What updates are you planning? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below.